And welcome back for another video. Today we'll be testing none other than Super Clean. And welcome back for another video. We are actually filming this at the same time we're filming this wheel video that y'all saw the other day. Maybe yesterday, maybe the day before, I don't know. But these are the wheels that y'all saw. And today we'll be testing none other than Super Clean. Now, full disclosure, Super Clean sent this to us for free in response that we use it and tell them how it works and possibly make a video. That's exactly what we're going to do and test it because, well, this is a perfect test subject. Was actually going to clean the two wheels on the vehicles already, but this works out even better.
Works out even better, and I can't wait to try some of them other products.
So directions for this say you spray it on, clean one wheel at a time, coat the surface with all wheel cleaner from 6 inches away, allow foaming to work for 30 seconds. So you let it sit for 30 seconds and you'll rinse it off. And then you dry it with soft towel, which is over on the bed. We have 4 of these. We only paid $300, as I said, which is a stellar deal. So let's get to it. Let's see if they work. Oh. So we do have this on a sawhorse, and you're probably not supposed to. I know, Super Clean, our mistake. But this, for shits and giggles, we'll probably do the other ones, any other products, you know, listen. But yeah, we might do the next one actually cleaning up like it's supposed to. Either way, I guess it don't matter. So it says spray it on, coat it good and thoroughly. It's all running down, of course. It's just no big deal.
It's just going to run down. That's what it's supposed to do.
And it says if this don't work and it's extremely dirty, you actually have to scrub it in with a kitchen brush, which is going to get interesting because we only have one, and this is the one we actually cleaned this with.
No, this one in my brush.
So we're going
that I use for cleaning my hands.
Yeah, so we're going to let this sit and see how it does. First time, really. I mean, I actually used their oil dry at my mother's house because spilled some oil over their kitchen oil, and it actually did pretty darn good, and it was in the house. Now that was impressive, that cleaned it up off the tile.
Let's see how this.
It's all wheel cleaner.
Look at that.
Huh.
We're breaking that down.
Yeah, it's doing pretty darn good. We're going to let it sit a little longer, then we'll spray it off, and I will actually move y'all the hell away when I spray it off, because I don't want to coat y'all with water. Not honestly, but two videos I want. We'll cut back. So I have y'all away from it. I'm fixing to spray it down. It actually came out good. I will show y'all the finished product as soon as the water comes on, and we're able to spray it now and see what it looks like. I feel it. Oh my. Yo, with a little bit of, once we wipe it down, the rest of this that isn't already off will actually come off there. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, you can go turn it off. Right now. Right now. Came out good, guys. set that down and move y'all on over. So y'all just gonna sit in some water. That's what it looks like right now. I'm actually fixing to dry it off and wipe it off with our towel, and we're gonna see what it actually looks like. I am actually ready to see this because if this does good, I think we have a new wheel cleaner, huh?
Yeah, definitely would work on my foot.
So as you can see, if you can't see, it did good. There's still some left. It's a little curb rashy, you know.
Man, these are old rims with some newer tires. They had like 100 miles.
About 10 is what they were saying. I'll put it around 25, 30. And so what is left on this wheel, we will come back another day.
Man, I bet you some aluminum polish next. Man, as far as cleaning goes, that actually did good.
Yeah, this is stellar, guys. So we're gonna get to the next wheel. We'll get y'all on a time lapse of us cleaning the rest of these wheels. This rest of this stuff that's still on here, we'll come back and do it again, but with an actual brush, scrub it through, and then use some cleaner. But let's go ahead and get y'all on time lapse of the rest of these wheels getting cleaned.
As far as cleaning goes, wow.
Yeah.
I broke the dirt down because they look like that.
They saw it. So,
and these actually have a little...
if you're looking for a wheel cleaner, I can now say with certain, go Super Clean. If you're looking for oil dry that can be used for other stuff other than just automotive oil dry and coolant dry, use Super Clean because they're oil.
Oh man, y'all want to see? I'll get you back. I'm actually need to clean these bad boys up right there.
So
look how dirty they was.
Super Clean did really good. We're impressed.
That's impressive.
I don't want to have this as a long video, so let's get y'all on a time lapse. And again, yeah. Alright guys, it's getting dark here, but that's going to conclude this portion of the Super Clean video. I will finish it up tomorrow. Now there's some curb rash on these. Yappy! Sorry y'all hearing her bark. Okay, we're back. Damn dog won't shut up. But there's some curb rash on them. The first one we cleaned, not on time lapse, came out the best. Yes, there's some curb rash. Yes, there's some pitting and stuff. But I think with some aluminum polish, these things should come out very darn good. So, that's concluded. I'm wearing the best shirt for this video. Super Clean shirt. I highly recommend Super Clean. If you want to get you some Super Clean, I will link it in the description below. You can go to their site and order you some Super Clean because it is the best stuff. Again, this is what we were using. All wheel cleaner. Pretty damn good. You like it? I'm not exactly sure if we're going to continue the lengths. So we might put the tires on, might not. I'm leaning towards 2. I don't think it'll take too long. At least get the rears on. But they came out good, guys. So again, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, you can go get your own Super Clean. And don't forget, you can go get our new merch that my dad absolutely loves. Yep. So that's going to conclude this. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get some new merch. And go check out Patreon.
That came out good.
On to the rest of the wheel video.